In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your app in Lovable, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear, shareable link to your live app and know exactly which settings to review, so everything looks polished and professional. Start in the Lovable editor with your project open. When you're ready to go live, head to the top toolbar and click the Publish icon. This opens a modal that guides you through a few quick choices before your site is deployed. First, set up your subdomain. This is the web address where people will access your app, like myappy.lovable.app. Pick a short, memorable name that reflects your project or brand. Keep it simple. Letters, numbers, and hyphens work best, and avoid spaces or special characters. If you're not sure what to use, you can leave it blank and Lovable will generate one for you automatically. You can always change it later if you need to. Next, review your settings to make sure your app presents well. Under website info, update your site title, description, and favicon. The title should be clear and descriptive, so visitors immediately know what your app does. Your description is the metadata that appears in link previews and helps with discoverability, so write a concise 1 to 2 sentence summary highlighting the value of your app. For the favicon, upload a simple, square icon so your brand shows up cleanly in browser tabs. A crisp PNG at a small size works great. None of these choices are permanent. You can refine them and republish anytime. Then choose your privacy level. If you want anyone with a link to view your app, select anyone. This is ideal for public demos, marketing pages, or prototypes you want to share widely. If your app is meant for internal use, choose Workspace. With that option, only members of your workspace will be able to access the site, which is useful for private tools or early stage projects you're not ready to share publicly. When everything looks good, click Publish or Deploy. The build typically takes about a minute, depending on your project. Keep the tab open while it processes. Once it's done, you'll receive a preview URL right away. Open it in a new tab and take a quick lap around your pages. Check titles, descriptions, images, and links. If anything needs adjustment, return to the editor, make your changes, and publish again. You can repeat this as often as you like. That's it. You opened your project, set a subdomain, reviewed your site info and privacy, and published. Your app is now live and ready to share.